Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
25 head idioms and phrases. Like, subscribe. To head off. Meaning 1. To depart for a destination. 2. To intercept or divert someone or something. 3. To block the progress or completion of something. Use in a sentence. 1. She's heading off to New York City next week. 2. Try to head them off before they get home. 3. The town headed off the attempt to build another mall. Off the top of my head. Meaning to say something spontaneously, without much thought or preparation. Use in a sentence. I can't remember the exact number of attendees, but off the top of my head, I'd say there were about 200 people at the event. Have your head in the clouds. Meaning to be daydreaming, absent-minded, or not paying attention to what is happening around you. It often implies that someone's ideas or plans are impractical or unrealistic. Use in a sentence. Despite the important meeting, John had his head in the clouds, thinking about his upcoming vacation. Head over heels. Meaning 1. It can express intense love or infatuation for someone. 2. To depict extreme enthusiasm or excitement about something. Use in a sentence. 1. He's head over heels in love with her. 2. She's head over heels about her new job. In over your head. Meaning that a situation is too difficult for you to deal with. Use in a sentence. The new HR manager felt like she was in over her head during her first week at the new job. Banging your head against a brick wall. Meaning repeatedly trying to do something that is very difficult or impossible to achieve, resulting in frustration or annoyance. Use in a sentence. I keep asking her not to park there, but it's like banging my head against a brick wall. Butting heads. Meaning completely disagreeing or getting into a heated confrontation with someone. It is often used to describe two people who express different opinions about something, often angrily. Use in a sentence. Jonathan and Cynthia always butt heads over politics when they're together. Give someone a head start. Meaning to give someone an advantage or early start in a task or activity. Use in a sentence. Being able to speak French gave her a head start over the other candidates. Head-to-head. Meaning competing directly with someone else. Use in a sentence. The two companies went head-to-head in a market share race. Keep your head. Meaning to stay calm and sensible in difficult or awkward situations. Use in a sentence. Despite the pressure, she managed to keep her head and win the race. On your head. Meaning refers that you are responsible for the consequences of your actions. Use in a sentence. If you decide to go bungee jumping without checking the equipment, it's on your head. Get it into your head. Meaning to start to believe something. Use in a sentence. When will you get it into your head that he's not coming back? Stand head and shoulders above. Meaning to be much better than others. Use in a sentence. With his amazing grasp on the subject, John stood head and shoulders above the rest. To pick your brain. Meaning to ask someone who knows a lot about a subject for information or their opinion. Use in a sentence. Can I pick your brain about how you got rid of those weeds? No-brainer. Meaning refers to something that is very easy or obvious, requiring little to no thought to decide or understand. Use in a sentence. Helping a friend in need is a no-brainer because it's the right thing to do. Rack one's brain. Meaning to think very hard about something or try very hard to remember it. Use in a sentence. I've been racking my brain, but I still can't remember what Mary's husband's name is. Brain drain, meaning, refers to the migration of highly skilled or trained people from a particular country. It occurs when educated or talented individuals leave their own country for better pay or jobs elsewhere. Used in a sentence, Britain has suffered a huge brain drain in recent years. Brain teaser, meaning, brain teasers are challenging and puzzling problems that require deep thought or cleverness to solve. Use in a sentence. Solving crossword puzzles is a great way to exercise your brain and enjoy brain teasers. Brainchild, meaning, an original idea, plan, or invention. Use in a sentence. The project was the brainchild of one of the students. Brainwave, meaning, refers to a sudden, brilliant idea or inspiration. Use in a sentence. I had a brainwave in the middle of the night and rushed to write it down. Brain dump, meaning to share all the information or ideas one has on a particular topic. It is used to transfer stored knowledge or information onto another medium. Use in a sentence. Let's have a brain dump session and gather everyone's thoughts on the upcoming project. Brainstorm, meaning, refers to suggesting a lot of ideas for a future activity very quickly, before considering some of them more carefully. Use in a sentence. The team got together to brainstorm ideas for the project. Brain candy, meaning, refers to entertainment or information that is enjoyable and not intellectually challenging. It is something that provides temporary pleasure or distraction. Use in a sentence. Reality TV is not my preferred genre of brain candy. I'd rather watch a superhero movie. Brain power, meaning, refers to mental capacity or intelligence. Use in a sentence. Her impressive brain power made her the star of the academic competition. Brainy bunch, meaning, refers to a group of intelligent or highly educated individuals. Use in a sentence. The research team was a brainy bunch making groundbreaking discoveries.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications,